What's up? Today we're shooting some lifestyle pictures with this amazing high-speed sync flash. We've got the Godox XLOR600. I'm going to show you guys how to use it and how to get some amazing results. I can't wait for you to see what this light looks like. Every time I use it, I'm truly stunned by the results. We have our beautiful model Jessica here, and Mojo is also here running camera. So the most important thing about this shoot is location. If we just look where we are, we're in the middle of Santa Monica, the beach, palm trees. There's not much else we could ask for. Secondly, our flash is going to essentially replace the sun. This thing is super powerful, and it's gonna hit Jessica with a lot of light, and she's gonna look amazing. You'll see in a second. The high-speed sync will let me bump my shutter speed up, which will allow us to shoot with a low f-stop, separating her from the background. I want to put my f-stop at 2.8 or as low as your camera will let you, but my lens is a 2.8, so that's what I'll put it at. Okay, to set it up, all you have to do is put the flash into high-speed mode as well as your camera. You also need one of these transmitters to control the flash. This gives us full control of the flash. Goes down to 1/128, all the way up to full power, which is 1, which is what I'm shooting at. Once you're in high speed mode, again, drop that f-stop to 2.8 or the lowest f-stop setting on your lens to get that shallow depth of field, and you're gonna bump up your shutter speed to make sure the exposure is proper. Your flash should be at full power, which will allow you to make that shutter speed really high. I'll share my settings when I pop my pics up on the screen in a minute. So with a few elements, you can create a high quality shot for little dollars by using this method. The flash is about $550 and the transmitter is $69. I'll put links to everything in the description below. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Peace.